Okay, I don't own an Xbox One. I don't own an Xbox at all. I'm a PlayStation person. Sorry. But I saw these on special, and I know Xbox people. And I thought it would make a great gift for people who play Xbox. I have no idea how the whole earphone system works. I have a set of wireless earphones that connect to my TV, and that's what I use. So, to keep the noise down. I've never done that whole connecting it to a device thing, so I don't know how it goes. So I'm gonna try to figure it out. There are two reasons why I purchased these headsets. One, great price. They went on special on Newegg for $16 each. $16 for gaming headset earphones. That's a pretty good price. And I thought it'd make a great gift, so I bought as many as they allowed me. I think I got up to 5. So I already have 3 of them given away. And I'm doing an unboxing on this one. This one I'm keeping. I have the Oculus Rift, and the Oculus Rift itself comes with the bundle I bought came with a controller. Now I have no idea how this could. I know there's different types of controllers. I, I'm not sure. Again, to my understanding, I should look this up. But I'm a PlayStation guy, so I think the black controllers are non-Bluetooth and the white controllers are Bluetooth, and that's the only real difference between them. So this earphones should work connecting it there. So I'm going to open it up and try it out and see how it works, to see if it does work. So I don't have an Xbox, like I said, but we use this on the Oculus. Also, we use this as a remote control on my son's computer, gaming computer. So, and I thought, $16. That's a pretty good price. I didn't even know there was an Xbox magazine. This is the volume controller. Supposedly this is a very big deal. This piece. Okay. Nothing else in the box. Okay, these are the earphones. It's nice packaging. That's cool. It's Velcro to the packaging. So this is the mic. Plantronics, right? All right, and then yeah, there it is. Plantronics, okay. Uh, So there's 3 lines. 3 lines means two means stereo, or basically the way I look at it is one speaker, the second speaker, which equals stereo, and the third line is the mic. Okay, it comes with Velcro straps. That's great. You can reuse these. Okay. Oh, here it is. I was wondering where this piece was. It's probably the most important piece. Okay, there it goes. Okay, let me move everything out the way. I'll show you everything that's in the box. So, I love that they use Velcro straps. Man, I wish everything came that way. That way, you could reuse it. So, this is the sound and I guess mic controller. Let me see if I can get you the model number if you're interested. Okay, and that's the connection right there. It says Plantronics right there. So I guess this is the mic mute. You press the button and it mutes. Volume control, plus, negative. And I don't know what that is. I guess my son will let me know what that is. This is, wait a minute. So this will go here. And I have to figure these out now. Okay, anyway, these are the headphones. I don't have an Xbox. I don't know anything about these headsets. I'm going to find out. And it's got a material headband. They seem pretty light. And for $16, they seem pretty sturdy. This looks like a speaker. That would be great if that was the external speaker. They flip. So you can put them flat like that. So you can get it up close and personal. Rig. Cushion. I feel like they're going to be comfortable. I like the orange color. Go to the next one. Okay, let's put it together. This goes in there. It should go in there, hopefully. Yeah. Okay, perfect. And I'm assuming. Well, anyway, let me just show you very quickly. Now, how do you take this out? Okay, just pull it out. That's everything that comes in the box. Everything. Okay, that's everything that comes in the box. So let's try to make all the connections. So I'll take this out. Okay, let's put this together. So I'm going to take this, plug it in, Ah, I'm plugging in the wrong side, sorry. It goes in that connection there. And this is the type of connection it takes. It's proprietary because it's not US, doesn't look USB. I don't think so. And that end doesn't look USB either. So, I think a light's gonna come out. Yep, a little blue light came out. So I have, looks like a phone. I don't know if you can connect your phone to it. I'm not sure. So this is the mic. So this should make the connection to here. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't even see this connection here. So this fits in here nicely. Look at that. Perfect. And that's the connection with the rig. I didn't even read the instructions. Pretty easy to set up. So I'm assuming the power, the sound and everything of power is all coming from the controller. It looks pretty cool. You know, one of the nice things is you don't have to worry about pulling on the wire and, you know, dragging your machine to the other side of the living room when you get up. It's all connected. It's a great idea. I like it. So this is the whole setup. I have my son try it and let me know how it works. I'm being told by my son and his friend that these are not speakers. And sound quality inside sounds great and they're very comfortable to wear. I'm being told by both of them. I don't have an Xbox, so I had to depend on my son's friend to confirm this device working on his Xbox. Now, he does use it, and he gets sound out of this device, but he couldn't get the mic to work. He said he couldn't get it working. My son was using it on a computer, and he uses the Xbox remote with a Microsoft adapter to play games on his computer with it, and he couldn't get the mic to work. The regular mic, this is his headphone. This is what he normally uses on his computer, and this works fine, headphones and all, and headphone and the mic work great. But he couldn't get this mic to work. So I don't know. This is a separate unit than from the one my son's friend was using. So it's not like one was defective. They both couldn't get it working. So I end the video with them saying that they enjoy the sound. They think it's very comfortable and they both still use it. But they still haven't been able to get the mic to work. So it may be something that needs to be done at our end. So I'm unable to confirm that. So I'm ending the video with that note. Thank you. Bye.